So today we will discuss environmental chemistry, which is very important chapter of JEE Mains examination. In this, we will discuss some previous year questions, which I think is a better way to prepare for this chapter. So starting with the first question, given below are two statements, and we have to tell which is true and which is false. First one is the value of parameter biological oxygen demand BOD is important for survival of aquatic life. Statement 2, the optimum value of BOD is 6.5 ppm. In the light of two statements, which is most appropriate answer? So BOD, which is important parameter to check how aquatic life survive in water bodies. In NCERT book, it has mentioned there the value of BOD should be less than 5 ppm. So let me show the answer. It is third. Statement 1 is true. Statement 2 is false. Now the part of NCERT. In NCERT book, it has defined what is biological oxygen demand, and it has written there clean water should have optimum, means optimum, or we can say the maximum value which should be for clean water is 5 ppm, and it should be less than that. Above 5 ppm the water is not clean. So optimum value of BOD is not 6.5 ppm, it should be 5 ppm. And first statement is the value of parameter biological oxygen demand is important for, which is true. Second is false because it should be less than 5 ppm. And above set 17 ppm it is highly polluted water. So this is the part of NCERT book. Now next question. Water sample is called cleanest on the basis of which one of the following values? This question was also asked, and it is from this para only. It should be less than 5 ppm. So third option, which is 3 ppm, is correct. The value of BOD should be less than 5 ppm. Next question. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, an allotrope of oxygen is an important intermediate in the formation of reducing smog. Statement 2, gases such as oxides of nitrogen and sulfur present in troposphere contribute to the formation of photochemical smog. So we should know what is smog and types of smog and their details. So I will show the answer and the para from where it has been asked. Answer is third, that is both are false. Why? Because reducing smog, also known as classical smog, occurs due to the mixture of smoke, fog and sulfur dioxide, which is not an allotrope of oxygen. It is also called reducing or classical smog. Photochemical smog occurs in warm, dry and sunny climate. Main components are unsaturated hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxides, which are produced by automobiles and factories. It is also known as oxidizing smog. So in second statement it was asked, gases such as oxides of nitrogen and sulfur present in troposphere contribute to the formation, which is wrong because it should be hydrocarbon, means carbon compounds, and nitrogen oxides, so not nitrogen and sulfur. And first statement also wrong because it is not the allotrope of oxygen. Sulfur dioxide is not allotrope of oxygen. Now next question. Reducing smog is a mixture of, just we have seen here that reducing smog is a mixture of smoke, fog and sulfur dioxide. So correct answer is second. The type of pollution that gets increased during the daytime and in the presence of ozone is O3 ozone. So let me show the answer. Oxidizing smog, also known as photochemical smog, because we have seen in reducing smog it is sulfur dioxide, smoke, fog. Here it has been given ozone, and we also read that unsaturated hydrogen carbon compounds and compounds of nitrogen. So here has been asked of ozone. How we will answer this question? So we will recall that in NCERT book we have read reducing smog, because answer could be that ozone in troposphere has not been mentioned, but we will assume it troposphere, because ozone is also present in stratosphere. We are talking about in troposphere, means where we live. So reducing smog, oxidizing smog, global warming, acid rain. Acid rain and global warming cannot be the answer, because global warming is caused due to methane, CO2 and other gases. Acid rain is caused due to acidic gases like SO2, which combine with water forms H2SO4. So this answer cannot be. So we will just remove this. So answer can be either reducing smog or oxidizing smog. Now we will recall reducing smog. Only 3 components were given in NCERT book. So the answer will be oxidizing smog. And it has been mentioned in NCERT book also some other chemicals. Not only like oxygen, hydrocarbons and nitrogen compounds. Some of the compounds have been mentioned in later stages.